big scooper helicopter picking up water right off of Incline side over here, kind of Crystal Bay-ish. I guess there's a fire called the King's Fire somewhere between me and Rifle Peak, I believe. I saw smoke on the cam from Diamond Peak a minute ago. Oh yeah, it does look kind of a little hazy down there. It must be down there somewhere. Oh, there it goes. Look at the helicopter. And do a dip. Ah, it's so cool. Big water bag in the water. Don't swim there. Alright. Here it goes, starting to climb again. Oh, look at all that water spilling out. That works. Maybe they have a weight detector. Oh, look at that cool swing. Oh, dang. There it goes. It's kind of coming over to the ridge line I'm on, Mystery Mountain. Thank goodness it rained a bunch last night. Got this whole area really damp. Otherwise, that lightning struck tree, which I guess started the fire, would be a real problem. Oh, that's so cool. Here it comes. Let's see, where are you going? Where are you dropping? Decent little east wind right now. On the side of Baldy? Huh. At first when I saw them flying, I thought that was just like a practice drill or something, but it looks pretty serious. Oh, it must be on the other side of that ridge from me, maybe. Yeah, that's why I can't see anything. Yeah, it looks like they're... Oh, that's getting loud. I wonder if they're spotting for fire, kind of dropping down the ridge, see if anything jumped and dumping on the embers or anything like that. Oh, they're dropping right there. Wild. Huh. This is thank you. Thank you for keeping us safe. You guys are heroes. The question is, are they gonna keep dropping, or are they gonna, is that thing heading out? That's a beast of a chopper. That looks like it's coming back for more. Look at that thing. Oh, it's gonna fly right over me. Yay.